If you're looking for a low maintenance plant that gives you gorgeous purple blooms almost round the year, then you're gonna love this one. Let's talk about one of my absolute favorite flowering plant, Thunbergia erecta.
Welcome back, friends. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started.
Thunbergia erecta, also known as king's mantle or bush cloakvine or potato bush. It's a bushy perennial that blooms in stunning trumpet-shaped flowers in deep purple with bright yellow centers. It's perfect for containers and pots, for borders, or even for small gardens. Thunbergia erecta loves bright indirect light to partial sun. While it can tolerate some direct sunlight also, but too much intense sun can actually reduce flowering. So try to grow it somewhere in the garden where it can receive morning sunlight which is not very harsh. This plant isn't picky, but it performs best in well-draining fertile soil. So choose a well-draining medium for your plant and feed your plant with compost at least once in 6 months. One of the best things about Thunbergia erecta is its flowering habit. Being a tropical plant, it thrives in warm conditions. So during monsoon, you will see the most abundant flowering with rich, vibrant colors. Also, don't be surprised if the flowering slows down during the hottest summers and the coldest winter periods. It's completely normal. Its flowers attract a lot of pollinators in the garden like bees and birds, and so far I have never seen any pest attack on this plant. This plant grows really aggressively, so regular pruning is recommended. And pruning not only keeps your plant bushy and compact, but also encourages more flowers. Pinch off spent blooms and trim back leggy growth. You can prune quite aggressively. This plant bounces back beautifully with more blooms. If we talk about is it possible to grow it from cutting? Yes, propagation is super easy. While monsoon and spring are ideal for propagation, you can actually do it whenever you are pruning. Just take a 6 to 8 inches long stem cutting with some nodes in it and grow it in any pot or in garden. Just water it daily and you'll be surprised to see the results within few days.
I hope you found today's video helpful. Please stay connected, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll come up soon with one more interesting video. See you soon.